Hi there, I'm Mathea Ford with Nicky's Kitchen. We create flavorful spices that are free of salt, sugar, GMOs, preservatives, and gluten. And you'll also find that the label includes potassium and phosphorus levels, which are very important to people with kidney disease. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist with over 20 years experience, helping clients improve their diets and eat healthier using good food. The spice I used in this video is the toasted onion. It's our brand new spice, and it is made with toasted onion, garlic, red crushed pepper, green onion, and cumin seed. It's delicious. It tastes like your favorite soup mix, onion soup mix, and no salt. Go to nickyskitchen.com to download the recipes with nutritional analysis and to purchase the spice. Thank you very much and have a great day.